52 Weeks Affirmations by Joseph Murphy. Prayer for Week 3. Greetings, beautiful souls. This week, let's center our focus on inner healing, nurturing our mind, body, and spirit. With intention and care with this powerful prayer. Remember, you may not have control over what happens to you in life, but you have total control over how you think about it. No person or event can make you feel angry, discouraged, envious, bitter, or inadequate. Your conscious mind can protect you by rejecting such thoughts. It is the gatekeeper. Let's join in this prayer each day, seeking the favor of our conscious mind to stand as the gatekeeper and guard against all negativity surrounding you. Now repeat the prayer after me. My conscious mind is the watchman at the gate, protecting my mind from false impressions. It rejects all thoughts that do not comply with the universal principles of health, love, wisdom, and abundance. It turns away any suggestions that pose a threat to my self-esteem. I am what I think, and through my conscious mind, I have total control over my thoughts. I choose to entertain thoughts of peace, joy, health, love, abundance, and goodwill to all. Please share this video with your loved ones and friends, aiding us in spreading a message of healing for the mind, body, and spirit.